me. That's why I hit online vendors. Hello, today is Wednesday. Good morning, and I just got back from night shift. I Today is my second day. That yesterday was my second day of night shift. I'm having night shift in 4 rows. That's 4 days. So yeah, I just got back and I'm about to do a little bit of cleanup because I've not actually had the chance to actually clean up the house. So I'm going to do a little bit of cleanup, just a little bit, and maybe during my off days, I'm going to like do a proper cleanup. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do today. And yeah, so we're going to do the haul on Friday, guys. One of the clothes actually came in, and I didn't like one of the denim that she sent. I'm really pissed, and she's not replying me. That's why I hit online vendors. So we'll still do the haul by Friday or tomorrow being Thursday. Yeah, because Friday is my off day, so we might do it on Friday. Yeah. So when I'm done cleaning, I'm going to cook noodles, but I want to take cornflakes first. Let me brush my teeth and take cornflakes. Hi, my loves. Good afternoon. Today is Thursday afternoon, and I'm about to create short form content before I go to work this evening. I came back and had a very, very long nap. I'm about to create content and eat. And moment of truth, I want to take down these calls that I actually put on. I can't remember when I put it on, but it's in the last two or three vlogs. So I want to use this hair for the video. So let's take it down together. Done, guys. I think it came out so well. Should I comb it out? I'm so tired. I actually don't have energy to film short form content because rain fell and they have not been light. But like my room is bright enough to actually film the content. That's why I was like, let me just film it. So, should we film it or not? The hair came out so fine. I love it. I love it. And see the outfit I want to use. So let's start filming now. I just want to do OOTD, that kind of vibe. Like I don't want to do too much. Like I just want to do OOTD, maybe on the mirror or like facing this way. To work. Last day of night shift. I'm so excited, guys. You don't know how excited I am. I'm just wearing a denim shirt, my basic black top, and my hands flat. So let's go to work. Hi loves, today is Friday. I'm so excited and I just got back from work. From work I went to pick up the way bill I got from Lagos, the items I ordered. So we are going to be doing a haul this Friday, which is today, and I'm so happy. Finally, after how many months, guys? Like I've been saying this haul, this haul, this haul. I still have one more that is coming, but it's not here. So I'll just do the haul despite that one not being not here yet. That one is a plain trouser. You guys will see it. I've been wanting plain trouser for so long and I've been seeing that. So yeah, I just got back from work and my office starting today. I'm about to fold laundry, the clothes I washed earlier, which was yesterday, right? Yes, was it yesterday I did clean up? Yes. I've already dried, so I'll fold it. Then we can start our try on haul. I'm so excited to show you guys what I got. So, guys, let's start the haul. I'm going to go haul. So let's start. The first item on the list is so I got things from SHEIN and like online vendors in Lagos, Port Harcourt, and the rest. So yeah, the one from Port Harcourt is the plain trouser, which is not here yet. So we're going to start from the bag. This bag is from SHEIN. I've been wanting a maroon wine tote bag. There's a particular one I wanted to get, but it was not available again. I don't know. You know, sometimes Shein will sell out some items, so I just decided to get this one instead before the one that has pattern. I'm still going to get that one, probably in black. So yeah, I love this bag so much. You know, if you know, you know. Like, ah, I love the bag, and it's leather bag. So now let me show you guys the little items I actually got before we start the outfits. Yeah. So the first item I got is this pencil. Is it pencil pen for my laptop and my phone? It's going to be easier for me to like be editing my vlogs with this, and yeah, so I decided to get it. Shein actually really trying in their products. I don't know if this will focus. Like Shein actually trying with their product. I didn't expect. I actually expected it, but like it came out like exactly how I wanted it to be, like this and this for the system. One of the things I was really anticipating is these glasses, guys. I've been wanting these glasses. If you're on my snap, which I doubt you guys will be. Okay, some people are actually on my snap at Utochi. You can check it out. There's this snap filter that has this particular shape of glasses, and I was like, I'm going to get these glasses. And guess what? I got it. So let me show you guys. Even came with like the wipes and all. So yeah, I really love it, and the quality is so good. Shein are really trying. Actually, not like I actually doubted Shein, but like the quality of the glasses is so good. It's giving brilliant, which I am. It's giving body. It's giving everything it needs to give. I'm really excited. Like I didn't expect it to be like full. I thought it's going to be like small, but like I love the way it is. Like it's perfect. This glass is going to get tired of me. I'm so sorry in advance. So I'm going to show the outfits first before I try them on. So yeah, the first item I got, which I've showed in the previous vlog, top. I actually got it from a vendor here, but it's actually a Shein top. This top is from Shein, so I think you guys can check it out on Shein. Stop. I just wanted to try this vendor, and I got a skirt, silk skirt. I've been wanting this silk skirt, and I decided to try like something that is not black for like church. I'm not really a fan of this elastic band that is here. I was thinking of taking it out and just like making it to just be like plain, like you get like the ones online. So I might do that, I might not do that. When we try it on, we'll determine whether I'll do it or not. Last item is this two denim trouser. This is denim trouser that actually pissed me off. I got I'm a size 27 in waist, and I got a size 28. But I love my jean trousers, especially my boyfriend jean trousers, a little bit baggy on the waist, so that it must not really be like high waist. It can be low waist with that. So I normally like get a size 30 instead of a size 28. So I got the first one, which is this one, is a size 28. I was like, can you please change it for me? And she was like that, she have to wait for someone to buy it. I was like, okay, just forget it, just keep it for me. Let me order another one that is a size 30. So this is the one that is size 28. Tell me why she sent a size small for the one that is supposed to be size 30. Just look, it cannot even pass my hips, it didn't even pass my laps. And I texted her, and she was like, I should take measurement of the trouser. I sent her measurement, both the length, both the length is even small. She didn't reply me. Texted her again, she didn't reply me. Like it's so bad. Like some online vendors, you'll be wondering what's causing your problem, but you're the one causing problems for yourself. Simple thing, okay. Oh, I'm sorry. The funny thing, self, is that if it was not, it's not even the same trouser. The one I ordered had a white tag, and this one had a black tag. Okay, I don't even mind if it was a black tag or it's different trouser, but at least if it was my size, it's going to be better than sending me a size small. How will I complain that, oh, I'm going to change, I'm going to get another one from size 28 and get size 30 instead of the 28 I ordered earlier. Why are you now sending some? This one is even smaller than the 28. I think this should be a 26 or a 24. I was so pissed. So I'm going to end up giving it to my friend Joy. If you're watching this vlog, I think you're going to take this trouser too. I'm so sad, but I just think I have to give it because she's a little bit slimmer than me, and I think it will suit her. But I don't know whether the length is actually going to be your size. But then again, I'm going to give her this vlog. This I'm going to give her this one. And funny thing is that when I ordered this size 28, I texted her that can she buy this one, and she actually bought it. And the funny thing is that this size 28 is even my size, like it's my size, but it's fitted, and I don't really like, you know, like it's fitted. I don't know how to explain. Like the waist, I like my waist to be loose so it can drop to my waist, low waistline, and this one is exactly on my waist. I don't know whether I should actually still send it for her or take this one that is my size. I'm so sad because now I'm losing the two trousers. So let's try on the outfits. So guys, that's the end of the haul. When the other ones arrive, probably next week, and it's going to arrive this weekend actually, but you will not be able to make it to the vlog. So by next week, I'm going to show you guys that one. And yeah, so I'm about to just put everything out, take a shower, eat breakfast, and sleep. I'm going to sleep the whole of today because today is my first day off. I'm going to rest, use today to rest, and tomorrow to chill and vibe. That's going to be the end of the vlog. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you loved the vlog. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And yeah, watch us grow together because actually we are actually going to grow together. Yeah, thank you so much and see you in the next vlog. Mwah. I love you guys.